Hi everyone, look at this. This is Dog Days Pale Ale by Matimyas Brewhouse. Matimyas is a microbrewery in Pasig, Metro Manila. This kind of beer is available here in a restaurant called Gubat. It's a restaurant here malapit dito sa UP Diliman, and the concept of the restaurant is very typical Pinoy. And it literally is a gubat. Maraming mga halaman, maraming mga puno. Inside, wala siyang aircon. So para kang nasa isang malaking garden na maraming mga puno, and there are plenty of animals and mga fish kasi may mga fish ponds around the area. And meron din silang mga pagong, and meron ding mga kulungan ng ibon, meron silang mga lovebirds, or may na pa yata. Anyway, so this restaurant is very Pinoy. Ang mga menu nila is very typical Filipino food. May mga adobo, may tuyo, may lechong kawali, tapos meron din silang dinakdakan, and ano pa ba? May adobo, nasabi ko na ba yung adobo? Adobo flakes. But what's unique about this restaurant is the way they serve their food. Wala silang mga plato at wala silang mga kubiertos. They will force you na magkamay. And I think it's what sets them apart in some of the restaurants dito sa area na to ng UP. And yung food nila mismo nakaserve sa dahon ng saging. So it's very typical Pinoy nga. So anyway, this craft beer, matagal ko nang gustong matikman ito. Nakikita ko to sa Facebook page nitong Gubat na restaurant, sa Facebook page nila. Hindi ko to nakikita sa mga Pinoy craft beer events or sa mga craft beer festivals. So matagal na ako naghihintay ng chance para makapunta dito sa Gubat para lang matikman itong beer na to. So anyway, let's look at it. It's 6% alcohol by volume. So medyo mataas siya. But I don't know kung anong timpla nito. Tikman natin kung anong lasa. Let's go. Yung mga baso nga pala nila dito is not your typical baso. So mukhang garapon lang siya na pinaglagyan ng mga mayonnaise. Look at that. The beer itself, medyo dark yung color niya, no? I can see it. If you can see it, ang normal na pale ale, like your regular pale pilsen, light golden ang kulay ng beer. This one, medyo dark siya. Medyo may pagka-reddish nga. Almost like brown ale na. Nabango siya, amoy IPA. But it's not IPA. Oh yes, masarap. Masarap. Ang taas ng bitterness. This is how I like my craft beers. Mataas ang bitterness. Yeah, I can already taste the bitterness inside my throat. The aftertaste is very strong. I can even say that it's stronger than Red Horse. Yung flavor, yung lasa. Because Red Horse is 6.9%. This is 6% alcohol by volume. Right, sarap niya. Perfect for hot days like today. By the way, today in Manila, it's one of the hottest days of the year. Actually, in the past few days, sobrang init dito sa Manila. Umabot yata ng mga 40-42 degrees. Medyo torturous na siya. Ang init. And it's perfect na may mga ganitong klase ng beer na refreshing inumin. Medyo weird lang na sa garapon ko iniinom, ano. Para akong umiinom ng, I don't know, ng tsaa. But it's good. I like the taste of this beer. Matimyas Brewhouse. Alam ko may mga iba pang flavors to eh. May mga iba pa silang classifications ng beer. But today, ito lang talaga yung available. Sayang, gusto ko pa naman matikman yung iba pa nilang variants ng beer. This is a good Pinoy craft beer. I like it. Sana makahanap pa ako ng mga iba pang Pinoy craft beers. Like this one, the microbrewery, yung pinakamaliliit. Let me know down in the comments kung may alam pa kayo. I will find it and I will taste it. This one can of 330 ml beer is only 150 pesos. It's not so bad. It's reasonable price given na it's available here in a restaurant. Usually kasi pag mga craft beers, pag sa restaurant mo binili, usually mas mahal yan. But this one is only 150 pesos. So I'm glad that it's not too expensive. Alam mo, dahil bitter siya, it's giving me IPA vibe. Parang nakakaramdam ako ng, is this IPA? Ang IPA talaga, medyo mga bitter style of beer siya. By the way, if you're not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you for doing that. I really appreciate it. And don't get me wrong, when I say bitter, it's good. Because I like my beers bitter. Ang mga IPA na natikman ko na Pinoy craft beers, mapapait talaga eh. Malakas yung bitter na sa lalamunan. Sarap. I like it.